Hi, this is New York Chem Coach, and you're looking at questions 26 through 30 from the June 2015 Chemistry Regents Exam. Take a moment, pause, answer the questions, and then we'll take a look at the answers together. Okay, the answers are as follows. Let's start with question 26. Question 26 is giving you a typical equilibrium question. Notice the word there, equilibrium. Two facts that you always want to remember with equilibrium. One is that the rate of the forward reaction is equal to the rate of the reverse reaction. And the other is, which is the answer here, that the concentrations of any reactants and products is constant. They're not equal, they're constant. Question 27. Acidity or alkalinity, I don't think most students are going to get this wrong, is tied into pH. Pretty much most chemistry students know a little bit about pH, in that it gives us an idea of acidity and alkalinity. 28. What you're looking at is the description for distillation. Here, once again, you need to know the definition. In fact, you need to know the definition of each of these choices, but distillation, that's the definition that's described in question 28. Fermentation, of course, is when I take alcohol and sugars, and I'm converted into alcohol, an organic reaction. Titration is when we're in acid-base chemistry and we're looking for the concentration of one and we know the concentration of another. And transmutation has to do with nuclear reactions. So know them all, but here's a classic example again where you need to know definitions. Then we go to 29. You're dealing with the penetration power of the two particles and the energy that gets spit out of an unstable isotope. Gamma rays are energy. While they have the greatest penetrating power, means they can pretty much go through anything, they're going to do the least damage relative to beta and alpha particles. Alpha particles will do the most damage, but it's easy to block alpha particles and beta's in the middle. So my suggestion is that make sure you maybe write, it's going from greatest to least, so from greatest to least, and write them underneath. So the greatest penetrating power, again, is your gamma ray, and your least is your alpha particle, and beta is in the middle, and then play the matching game to the choice. Otherwise, you might do the reverse order and just get confused. And finally, in 30, what you're looking at is a diagram for the fusion reaction. Notice I have a neutron, it's going to hit uranium-235, that uranium-235 is splitting. When we have splitting, we have fission. Fusion is another type of nuclear reaction where we have light nuclei fusing together. Deposition and evaporation shouldn't even be possible choices here because they have to do with phase changes. So this is questions 26 through 30, June 2015 Chemistry Regents Exam. This is New York Chem Coach. Hit the like button below the video and check out NewYorkChemCoach.com.